corruption. Let's see if he walks the talk. Moving on, the government has withdrawn a controversial bill that would have seen owners of freehold land within or close to urban areas pay an annual land levy in addition to land rates. Majority Leader in the National Assembly, Kimani Ichung'wah, in a letter to Speaker Moses Wetangula, says there is a myriad of constitutional and legal issues arising from the bill. This coming after the bill elicited sharp reactions in the ongoing online engagements that saw President William Ruto concede to not signing the Finance Bill 2024 after protest over, among other things, high taxation by the Kenya Kwanza regime. Jeff Kirui with the details.
When the country was treated to mass protests against imposing more taxes by President William Ruto's regime, other than the Finance Bill 2024, which was at the center of the protest, is the Land Amendment Bill number 2 of 2023. The bill intended to compel freehold land owners, property owners who enjoy free ownership for perpetuity and can use the land for any purposes, to pay land rent. The bill, sponsored by Ruiru MP Simon Kingara, should it be enacted, could further give the Lands Cabinet Secretary power to acquire land compulsorily whenever the county or the national government determines that there is need to acquire a particular piece of land. The bill also intended to strip the National Land Commission some powers and confer them on the Minister of Lands. In May last year, President William Ruto announced that the National Land Commission will no longer deal with land valuation for compensation over government projects, in what he said was intended to seal corruption loopholes in compensation.
Mimi nimesema katika hii serikali mimi naendesha, mambo ya ufisadi haitakuweko. Tunaelewana? Na tayari nimeamrisha watu wa NLC hawatafanya tena mambo ya valuation ya compensation. Their business is to give the Ministry of Lands. Ministry of Lands ndio itakuwa inafanya valuation ya mashamba, ndio tuhakikishe ya kwamba kila Mkenya analipwa pesa sawa na Mkenya mwenzake.
Amidst the piling pressure through protests against more taxation by the Kenya Kwanza regime, the leader of government business in the National Assembly and Majority Leader Kimani Ichung'wah has written to the Speaker of the National Assembly, Moses Wetangula, seeking to have the bill withdrawn. In the letter dated 13th of June 2024, Kimani Ichung'wah informs the Speaker that the withdrawal is informed by constitutional and legal issues that arose from the bill. In the letter, Ichung'wah states that having consulted with the relevant stakeholders, this is now to confirm that the majority party has withdrawn the bill. Ichung'wah further notified the National Assembly's House Business Committee to hold further consideration of the bill. In December last year, MPs voted to shorten the bill's publication period from 14 days to 1 day to allow its prompt introduction in the House. The bill was scheduled for debate in the National Assembly on June 18th, but was shelved to allow the consideration of the Finance Bill, which has also been withdrawn but awaiting formalization by the House. Jeff Kirui, KTN.
Shifting focus, the family of Constable David